Oh, good morning, guys. I have been staring at this all day, trying to figure out what is wrong. And I asked ChatGPT, not sponsored, but they're too high. And my ceilings are so low that it just like draws your eyes up and makes you realize how low the ceilings are. And then you don't like really look at the couch. So I need to lower that. Put a round mirror here. That was my original plan. And I like that because when you walk through the door, the first thing you'll see walking through this door is that round mirror, which kind of makes the room look bigger and bounces the light around. It's crazy that this room is already so close to being finished that this is even like my biggest concern. As much as I like working here with my big monitor, I really like going to coffee shops. I just like kind of going for a walk in the morning, getting out. I'm gonna turn this off just to rest the motors. And don't worry, I haven't forgotten about this bathroom. Although I'm getting kind of used to not using the shower. I also have to finish cleaning this shit up. I've been kind of hiding it behind this. For you guys don't remember, this is where the shower was leaking, where the bathtub was leaking, and then the laundry machine. So this is all messed up. But luckily this little drawer hides it, but I think it's finally time to tackle it and clean it up for good. Alright, looks pretty good, guys. Kind of reminds me of the Acropolis. We kind of exposed a little bit of the old brick. Okay, I finally left the house and decided I'm gonna go take a shortcut and maybe go to this pink cafe. I haven't been there yet, actually. One thing I really like about this neighborhood in particular, but I think a lot of them in Ukraine, you have all these little random courtyards. This one has a little cute sitting area where the cat is. Oh, and I just realized this is another shortcut to my apartment. If anything, it's kind of a nicer walk than what I normally do. I'm gonna start coming here. And this cafe is definitely open. It's already packed, actually. Look at this. Wow, that looks really nice. Well, guys, I just booked a Airbnb for Phuket in December, so I'll definitely be going there. My friend's getting married. But until then, I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful place. Cheers. Even the water comes in this beautiful container. All right, that was an excellent coffee. Unfortunately, it's actually a little bit chilly outside. I think in the summer it's gonna be really nice to sit out here, or I guess I can always go into the cafe itself. So here we go. That's even 2 stories. Never even been upstairs. So I've never actually looked at the top of my roof before, and I just realized there's these 2 like brick pillars over here. I wonder if that's just for design, or if that had like a purpose. What do you guys think? Well, I just got done editing a video. That'll take about 20 minutes to export. So, what better time than to lower this and do some work. I have a box of nails somewhere. I can't find it. But I also realized they're just like random nails sticking out of the wall that I can just take. Like, these don't need to be here for any reason. Oh, shit. Hold on. So maybe I can just reuse these nails instead. So I want it to be about eye level. So about here. And then kind of the center of the couch, which is, I think, right here. So I want this, I mean, I guess I can step on the couch. I don't know why I'm afraid to do that. So the holes need to be here. And I guess around here. Let me just use something to level that. The screw's not very straight. I mean, this nail's not very straight. Shit. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm using used, unstraight. Fuck. It's not gonna work. I need a straighter nail. It's gonna unbend this somehow. Is this ghetto that I'm trying to unbend used nails to save? I mean, it's not about the money, obviously. I feel so ridiculous spending effort to do this, but I don't have any other nails, so I can't find the box of it. And it's so hard to screw things to that wall that I thought this would be easier, but it's not. That was pretty easy. Tools for the job, guys. So that's what I learned. You gotta always have the right tools for the job. By the way, one of my viewers offered me his old DeWalt drill that he said he had like an extra one laying around with a spare battery. And he offered to ship it here. The only problem is we have different voltage in Ukraine, so I don't even know if that would work. Let me level this before we start banging. But anyways, I think by the time I would ship here, I'll be done. I don't hopefully never need a drill again, but who knows? Maybe this is my new hobby. Maybe I'm Johnny Home Renovation. Oh, motherfucker. Oh no, that was my one nail. Oh wait. Guys, I found 2 nails. How's that possible? It fell and there's 2 nails on the floor. It's like magically. That's so random. And I'm so glad I didn't step on the other one. It must have been there already. All right. Nah, now if I take these out, it's probably gonna leave a hole. What should I do? I'll just leave that for now. And let's see if I sit. Is my head gonna touch it? Oh, absolutely perfect. Oh, what should I do? Should I take those 2 ugly screws out? I kind of have to. All right, so now I gotta figure out. I think what I'll do is have just one picture there, and then I'll have a mirror here. And then I'll figure out another day where to put that. I kind of have to wait for the bed frame to come in, because maybe that'll be enough. Or maybe I'm gonna want in the very middle. If that makes sense. I mean, obviously not so high, but like maybe once the bed is in, I can have her there. Well, it's Wednesday night, so I'm back to Gulliver to go to jiu-jitsu. Part of me is thinking, I'm not too tired, I might go to this Yunsk after, but I guess we'll see. Because I'll probably be exhausted and don't want to carry anything, but I do want to check out the rug and the coffee table and maybe a mirror. So today is a extra big class. Oh! And it's because it's our instructor's birthday today. Happy birthday!
Я думав, ви що побороться.
Тимурчик, з днем народження, міцних колін. Від себе я просто мрію це сказати. Щоб тобі в кожному місті України давали клубніку і щоб всюди була синя ізолента, братан.
Дякую.
Alright guys, I ended up doing 3 rolls. And the last one was against a really good purple belt. I think I might be done, guys. There's so many people and it's so hot right now, but I had 3 really good. I'm not the only one who's tired. Guys, normally after jiu-jitsu I'll be exhausted, but today we have cake, so I feel like I'm gonna go to Yunsk. Oh, смачно. Дуже смачно. Well, I've decided to go to Yunsk since I have some energy from this cake. I'm kind of debating if I want to have a rug or not on my couch. Normally I would definitely have it as like a nice separation, but I like those floors so much. want to look at the coffee tables. What else do I need? Mostly the coffee table. This might actually... All I really need is like something small that I can kind of put my feet up on. And I can just put a couple drinks on. And I think this might match my my parquet floors. And black's always fine. What do you guys think? Just one of these? So I'm buying the end table, a big mirror, some scents, and this really cute lamp.
Okay. A big?
Oh no, I have. No, chocolate. Okay. Don't want enough. All right, so I just called a taxi to take me back home because this mirror is a bit kind of awkward to carry and heavy. But pretty excited. The mirror I'm probably not going to hang until I get the bed frame because I want to know exactly where the dresser is going to be because it needs to kind of be even. But the coffee table I can start using right away. It'd be great to just put my food down on and also put my feet up on. So I hope it matches because it was a great price. It's exactly what I was looking for. I just have to figure out how it'll look with this kind of fake wood. I normally would never buy fake wood, but you know, this apartment's not like a super high-end designer apartment anyway, so I might be able to get away with it. But this is exactly the type of stuff my interior designer I hired for my Pisania place would warn me against. Like, do not shop at News. Go buy this like fake plastic that looks cheap. But here, I think it'll be okay. So guys, I'm back from Minsk and Jiu-Jitsu, and I'm really excited to use my new laundry machine. Like, to see this little lamp, it's so cute. And it was so cheap. It was 500 grip and it was on sale. It was like, even if I can't figure out where to put this, I'm getting it. Like, it's just such a nice little find. So the problem with my old apartment, it had the smallest little micro washing machine in the world. Literally, it was 3 kilos. I'm pretty sure this wet is more than 3 kilos, but somehow I got it to fit. But I couldn't fit like anything else. I can literally just kind of fit the gi. But if I had like a t-shirt to wash, it wouldn't go in. So this is nice that I can actually fit this and probably more if I needed. Where's my magic soap? I actually have no idea how much I'm supposed to put in. I kind of just do that. What do you guys think? Too much? Too little? Just right? And then I normally do just cold wash. Oh, I love that sound. I also bought a couple of little scent things. I had these at my old place, but I remember distinctly just like not packing it. So I'm like, why would I pack something that's glass and liquid when I can just buy a new one? So I'm gonna get myself some Nordic woods. I'm not sure if this is the best place to put it. Maybe on the table actually. Yes, while I'm here, I'm gonna set this table I bought. This is either gonna be absolutely perfect, or it's gonna cheapen my entire apartment and make it look tacky. But I'm willing to find out for whatever I paid for this. Do you guys remember? It was really cheap. I want to say it was like, I'll tell you right now. It was 500 hryvnia, which is like $13 or something. It was on sale. It was double that, like 1,000 before, but I was like, this is too good of a price to pass up, and it sounds like exactly what I want. I mean, I would like another marble table from H&M Home like at my other place. But that was really expensive. The solid marble was heavy. This has metal legs. Oh man, I feel like this is just gonna screw on without holes. It's gonna be great. I'm hungry, I wanna have some dinner. Anything that you can assemble while sitting on the couch is great. Oh my god, it's simple guys, look at this. Oh my god, guys. Yunsk doesn't always have the best stuff, but sometimes it's amazing. Perfect height. Watch this. Bam. TV. Put my food and my drink on here. Actually, let me put some of those velvet pads on the bottom. These came in so handy, these little velvet things. Felt, I mean. I don't know why I said velvet. I have to slide it around without damaging the floors. Bam! 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 Let's make some food and watch some TV, guys. Perfect. I think they need instructions for this. We can't figure this out. We should be building furniture. Got two more. I think I'm gonna put one in the laundry room. For everything a nice vanilla scent. Oh, there's one in here already, but I think this one probably needs to be tossed out. Oh.
We all love scrolling through perfectly curated homes. You know the ones. Sunlight streaming through luxurious curtains, but are totally impartial. Please tell me.
By the way, guys, I realized if you bring the TV like on the swing thing a foot closer, it makes the TV look 5 inches bigger. It's a great hack. By the way, it's cherry season in Ukraine right now. They're so delicious. And I just heard the washing machine go off, which means I'm gonna find some way to hang this probably in the hallway again. I'm so happy that happened so perfectly. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish putting away this laundry and then call it a night. So see you guys in the next one. By the way, thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my renovation series, it's almost complete. You can subscribe. See what's next in my life here in Ukraine.